Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Today, I'll show you how to bake the ultimate chewy chocolate chip cookies, perfectly golden on the edges, irresistibly soft in the center. All ingredients and baking instructions are listed in the description below. You'll need just 9 simple ingredients, most of which you probably already have at home. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Meanwhile, line a baking sheet with parchment paper to prevent sticking. In a medium bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Set this aside. These are your dry ingredients. Next, in a large bowl, cream 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup each of granulated and packed brown sugar. Beat on medium speed for about 2 minutes until light and fluffy. With the mixer on low, add 2 room temperature eggs one at a time, scraping down the bowl in between. Then pour in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry mixture in 2 batches, mixing just until incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. That preserves the chewy texture. Finally, fold in 2 cups of semisweet chocolate chips until evenly distributed throughout the dough. Scoop 2 tablespoon portions of dough onto your prepared sheets, spacing them 2 inches apart. For extra chewiness, chill the dough in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This step is optional but highly recommended. Bake in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes until the edges are golden brown but the center still looks slightly underbaked. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes. This lets them set. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, soft, chewy chocolate chip heaven. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy baking!